Hey guys, and welcome back to another video on the channel. Today I wanted to answer a question that's been floating around my comment section since I started this channel, guys. This question is, do you need Blender to be a Roblox developer? Guys, let's get into it. Now, first things first, if you're looking for a short answer in a 30-second video, no, you do not need Blender to be a Roblox developer. However, Blender will speed up your workflow, make a lot of things a lot easier, which I guess kind of goes with speed up your workflow, and increase your optimization. At least I'm pretty sure. So if we were on Roblox and let's say we wanted to do something like a union, let's just take a cube and a cube. I'm gonna make this the same as Blender, just so we have all of the same stuff, and let's bring this out like this and up. All right, so check this out. If we wanted to cut a hole in this first cube, we would click here, or no, we would click on this one, and then we would go to model, negate, and then we would shift click on this one and click union. Now we have this. If we go into our wireframe mode, we have this, which is actually, you know, not the worst. But the more complex the shapes get, of course, well, the more weird they're gonna get. Now, unions are pretty slept on Roblox and frowned upon. So I don't know exactly why they're frowned upon, but I'm guessing it's an optimization thing. If we wanted to do the same thing in Blender, we would have our cube and then just do Shift D, move it right there. As you can see, that was already way faster than Roblox. And then you could just add a Boolean modifier right here. Click the object you want to be Booleaned. I think that's how you say it. And then you could just hide this object. And there we go. We have the same thing and a different method, quite a bit faster in my opinion. Let's go ahead and apply this and let's check out its wireframe. Do you see what I'm saying, guys? Do you see what I'm saying? It looks cleaner, man. It looks so much cleaner. I guess we could do Control T, and I think this is what Roblox gives you. Something like that. And I think that's because it makes everything triangles, 3 sides, instead of like n-gons and all that kind of stuff. Obviously, we're shooting for quads, so if you did want to make all quads, I'm pretty sure you could just add a loop cut right here, and we could line this up without proportional editing. And then we could grab our knife tool, grab here and here, enter, and now everything is a quad. Well, except this side, but we would do the same thing. Knife tool there to there, enter, and as you can see, everything is now a quad, and dare I say, perfect topology. There's gonna be some Blender like guru out there that says, bro, there's still something wrong with this. Listen, I'm trying. Now, another thing, guys, let's say you're making a simulator, right? And you want a little terrain piece. In Roblox, there's not exactly the most options. We can either do the square, which is what people normally do, something kind of like this, and then they put some grass on the top, just like this. Let's go ahead and color it. Boom and boom. As you can see, it's okay. It's okay. But there's not much more you could do with this unless you start unioning this piece, which then you have to place each part to have a curve. So let's say we want a curve on the edge. Let's grab a piece like this. Let's rotate it. There we go. We'll put it to the edge, and then we have to make it bigger so it matches the part. Now we need to make it on all sides. So let's just duplicate that, put it over here, and then we'll duplicate both of those and move them to the edges. So all of this work, which as you can see is taking time. Let's do this. We will then negate these parts and union them to this. Yeah. Okay, let's use part color. There we go. And now we have this. All right, now it would look better if I took more time on it, but time is sort of the main focus of this video. Let's do the same thing in Blender. So we'll start off just by adding a cube. This is the same thing we had in Studio. Well, I guess it was a bit of a rectangle, so to be fair, I'll stretch that on the x-axis, and now we have the same thing. Now, if we want a grass top, we could just grab this top face, E to extrude, S to scale, drag that up, and we already have what we had in Studio. Now we can click Control B to bevel, and there we go. All sides are even. It's literally perfect. And if you wanted to make this look even better, we could grab even the bottom side and bevel that as well. We could do this. We could add loop cuts in here to add even more shape to our mesh, and it just makes it so much faster and so much easier to do literally anything you could do in Roblox Studio, including scripting. Look at this. I'm just kidding, guys. It's probably not even the same script language. I just saw the tab and I thought it'd be funny. No, I didn't even know you could script in Blender. But anyways, I guess to answer this question, short, sweet, and to the point, guys, you don't need to know Blender, but it's gonna save you so much time, and your work will stand out quite a bit more than if you just used Studio. I also feel if you have a massive map, let's say jailbreak-ish, all Roblox unions, probably not great. So, long story short, learn Blender. I do have a complete beginner guide on the channel, which they actually used in schools to teach their students the basics of Blender, which I thought was this. Wow, stop it. Anyways, I have that video. I will link that in the description below. Hopefully you did enjoy. If you want to see more content like this, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Have a great day. Later.